Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Toyota RAV4 headlight bulb. First, let's gather our essential items. You will need the correct replacement headlight bulb for your specific RAV4 model. It is crucial to wear clean gloves when handling the new bulb. This prevents skin oils from shortening its lifespan. While often no tools are required, having a flathead screwdriver nearby can be helpful for gently prying if needed. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Pop open your RAV4 hood and look directly behind the headlight assembly you wish to replace. You will see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the small release tab on this connector and pull it straight off. Next, locate the bulb's retaining ring or rubber cap. Twist it counterclockwise approximately 1/8 of a turn to unlock it. With the retaining ring or cap loosened, carefully pull the old headlight bulb straight out from the housing. Remember, do not touch the glass of the new bulb. Align the tabs on the base of your new bulb with the slots in the headlight assembly. Gently push the new bulb firmly into its socket. Once seated, rotate the bulb clockwise about 1/8 of a turn until it locks securely into position. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Before closing everything up, turn on your RAV4 headlights to verify that the new bulb illuminates properly. If it works, you've successfully replaced your headlight bulb. Finally, carefully lower and secure your vehicle's hood. You've saved yourself time and money with this simple DIY task.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.